Glow stick games, a fun way to learn English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and fun topic: glow stick games. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video will help you understand this phrase and how you can use it in everyday English. Let's light up our language learning with some glow stick fun. First, let's break down the phrase. A glow stick is a small plastic tube containing chemicals that produce light when mixed. These are popular at parties, concerts, and outdoor events. The word games refers to activities or sports played for enjoyment, often involving skill, strategy, or luck. So, glow stick games are games that are played using glow sticks. These can be traditional games adapted to use glow sticks or new games invented specifically for glow sticks. Now, let's dive into some examples of glow stick games. One popular game is glow stick ring toss, where rings made of glow sticks are tossed onto targets. Another is glow in the dark hide and seek, where players use glow sticks to find each other in the dark. These games are not only fun but also a great way to learn English action verbs and prepositions. Glow stick games are a fantastic way to learn English in a playful setting. While playing, you can learn new vocabulary related to actions, objects, and directions. For instance, phrases like throw the ring, find a player, or hide behind the tree become part of the game. Additionally, these games can be a fun way to practice giving and following instructions in English. Organizing a glow stick game event can be an excellent way for language learners to practice their organizational and language skills. Planning the event involves tasks like making invitations, setting rules, and explaining the games, all of which provide practical language practice. We hope this video has brightened up your day and added a fun twist to your English learning journey. Remember, learning English can be as enjoyable as playing glow stick games in the dark. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to light up your language skills with creativity and fun. Until our next video, keep glowing in your English learning adventure.